How's it going, everyone? It's Leo here. So in this video I'll be basically giving you a walkthrough of how to use Robinhood. So here I'm on the home page, as you can see it right here on the bottom left corner. So the top where it says investing, that's basically just how much I have in terms of cash and stock value. So you could see pretty much there like how much I've made today and then how much it has been after hours, which again refers to any time after 4 or before 9:30. So now here you can see you have 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, and then just your whole time with Robinhood. So the day, basically you just press on it, hold it, and then you could drag it to see like how much you were making. So mine's a little bit weird because I started out with the 1,000. I had some referrals and I made some money there, and then I did some stock trading, so I got some even more money there. But the reason it jumped so much is because $1,000 deposit that I ordered went through. So for some reason, I don't know why, but that counts it as profit as well. So that's why that's there. Now here, normally, you're going to have cards, which give you really important information about stocks that you're watching. Now stocks that you're watching are down here. They're on watch list. If you don't know which stocks to put on your watch list, you could just go to the search button like I just did right here, and then just go to like 100 most popular. That'd be a safe bet, where you could just look at popular stocks that other people are trading. There's over 100 here, so you could just scroll down. They vary from all. I think Chesapeake Energy is the cheapest at $2, and it goes like all the way up to 1,500, I believe, which is Amazon. Let me see if I can find it here. I'm not gonna be able to find it there, but let me search it here. So you could just search up here. Oh, connection's not really going. Let me just try to find it through here. So here you got Chesapeake Energy, $2.26. Probably the cheapest stock out there you could buy. That's actually worth buying without too much risk. This one would still be risky. So as you see, I just clicked on it, and here you could basically see the history of a stock and how it's been doing. Same way, just go to the 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, 5 year. This one hasn't been doing too good, down 91% overall in the 5 years history. 1 year, it's not too good either. 3 months, neither. Basically, yeah, the only reason is because it's been going up in the past week, so that's why they're up there in the top 100. Volume though is ridiculous. That's basically how many trades have been done today. You got nearly 21 million. So this I find pretty useful when it comes to trading stocks. I buy low and I sell high regularly. I look at my stocks regularly every single day, and what I like to see is I go to the 52-week high and the 52-week low. So for Chesapeake Energy in the past year, it's been $5.60. The low is $1.71. So right now it's at 226. It wouldn't be a bad time to buy because it will probably shoot back up. But then again, it's been really volatile, so it's up to you whether you want to take the risk or not, because it is on a downward trend and it might shoot back up. But of course, no one could tell the market, so you kind of take your risk as you want. But I like to use that and measure. I'll show you the ones I currently have right now. I put in an order for Alibaba. They've been doing pretty good, up 7% today. So they have a 52-week high of $211 and then a 52-week low of $129. You could see that by going here to the 1 year. Let's see, 5 years. You hold it, you go up there, and then you could see this is where it was at 211. A little bit closer there. Around that mark is where it's 211 on that day. And then the low, that was like around here. Oh, well actually no, we're looking at the 5 years, so the low would be here on this date, that 129 from near. So the middle of that would basically be like around, like, let's say 160, 170. Right now it's at 140. So even if it evens out through the year, I'll still be making money since I put in the, what did I put the Q at? So I ordered it, but I ordered after hours, so it's not going to go through until Monday. But at 143.38, and I bought 7 of them. So I'm gonna have to wait for that to go through. see what other stock I have right now. I got Coca-Cola here. So this is how it looks basically when you have the stock. You have your share amount, how much you paid for it, average for your shares. The equity is basically how much it's worth now. If you want to find out how much you paid, just look back in the history or multiply your share by your average cost. So my return today, because I bought the stock today, so both total and today's return are the same, $6. I'm probably going to sell it come Monday, pull out my profit, and then just reinvest. 52-week low, 41.45, 52-week high, 50.84. So down here, you could check out the earnings for each quarter through the years. Been doing pretty good recently, so invested there. And you got basically just referrals of companies that have been bought from people that also bought Coca-Cola. And then these are basically just what tags are under Coca-Cola, where it says featured in beverages, alcohol, retail, most popular, manufacturing, food, coffee. Volatility, it's low because it's a pretty steady stock. So you've seen pretty steady increase or decrease in general. It hasn't fluctuated too much. When it's high, let me show you a high one right now. That would definitely be Tesla. Look at this. Just all over the place within the past like year and a half. That would be a high volatility for sure. So now let's see what else we got here. Dividend yield, basically just how much they pay their investors in terms of dividends. So it's 3.23% overall for you owning the share. This is more of a long-term strategy. I have index funds, so I'm kind of just using that. I mainly use Robinhood just for regular trading. The analyst rating is pretty good. You can see kind of how a stock's doing. A lot of buys are good. A lot of holds are good. You don't really want a stock that has too many people selling it. So try to steer away from those. Now let me just walk you through the process of buying one. Oh, here you can see the thing I was talking about. It gives you like little news articles where you could just click on it and then see the news of what's been happening with that stock. It's taking a while to load, but basically when you click on it, it just opens up. So Netflix soars 10%. So you can know Netflix has been doing good. Volkswagen doing good. Ford recall, so that probably means Ford isn't going to be doing too good. And then why Audi suddenly has a shortage of luxury cars. So that's another bad thing for Volkswagen since Audi's under Volkswagen. So you could even look into cryptocurrency. I personally don't know enough about it to invest yet. Probably will in the future, but you could check it out here. So that's pretty much it when it comes to your home page here. And you can rearrange your watch list. All you have to do is hold it and then just move it down like this. I have it ordered from most expensive to cheapest, so when I'm buying stocks I could just view and see kind of how much. But normally what I like to look at is where the green line, or the red line even, when it matches near the center. Mainly the green line dipping towards the center, because that'll probably mean it's going to shoot back up. Again, stocks are speculating. That's just kind of the way I do about it. I'll give more details about it in further videos about how I'll go about picking my stocks and everything. So that's pretty much all you got there. Search page, got your news here. Now your account page, this is where you could see basically how much you're investing in. Right here just gives you little things to look at, kind of advertising, FAQs, stuff like that. You got your account summary where you can see basically the summary of your account, all this stuff. So I did one day trade today. You're only allowed to do 3 day trades within 5 business days. So this should refresh soon, and I don't plan on doing many more day trades, probably just one more if anything. But yeah, I'm probably not going to be touching that too much. You could kind of see or hear what I did. Bought it for $7.38 today, GE. Sold it for $7.46 because the shares went up 9 cents. Then you got your transfers, basically just seeing like the history where you could transfer bank into your, you can transfer money from your bank into your Robinhood account, or just vice versa. You could set up your automatic deposits. I have them by $12 weekly. I'm gonna raise that most likely in the future, but right now I just have it set it like that. History, you can see basically all the trades you've been doing, what you've got in motion. Now here you got all the basically trades I've done within the last 30 days. just your settings, got Face ID on, and then your help. This is pretty much a run through of the whole app. It's not too hard to use, pretty self-explanatory, but if you have any questions, I'm here to help. Let me see, I'm gonna walk you through basically how you basically buy or sell the stock. It's not really too hard. Just click on the trade button, pick buy. It does the math for you. Just say I want 20 shares. It's gonna be $9.50. Then you just put review and it'll knock it out for you. Order types. So when it comes to order types, these all kind of vary. Market basically just orders it immediately. Then when it comes to limit, it sets like limit boundaries, and same thing with stop loss and stop limit. So that will be about it. If you have any more questions, just let me know. You can shoot me a message or drop it down in the comments. If you've liked this video so far, please like it, subscribe. I'll be posting more videos about investing, academic growth, or personal growth, anything of the sort. So thank you for watching today, and have a great day.